toys involved. So now we're going to do some calf raises. Feet hip width apart, toes facing out, and we're just going to go up on our toes, squeeze the calf muscle, lower down. Up and squeeze, lower down. So we do a lot of these, get a good burn to build up those calves. You can also rock back on your heels, pull your toes up, and that'll work the front calf muscle, the tibialis anterior. You can do some bent knee raises too, or a seated bent knee raises. That's going to work your deeper calf muscle, the soleus portion of it. Then you can also do your feet outward a little bit, calf raises that way, toes in a little bit. I wouldn't do too much, but toes in. So then your ankle and your calves are strong from every angle. Gives you a little bit more functional strength. Just don't use too much weight for that.